So here's interesting app for Christmas. It's called ElfCam, Santa's elf tracker, caught a naughty elf on camera. So it's pretty cool app either for yourself or for kids during Christmas. And then this app is not had that many ratings yet, but it's getting traction. So you can create your own elf with hundreds of outfits, more animations, and lots of fun in the year's merriest holiday. App is the time of year when Santa's elves visit your home, checking off their naughty or nice list. Like Track Santa, you can now track elves. This year you'll be ready to get them on camera using ElfCam. So you can use some, AR technology and animate elves and show to your kids that, elves really come into your place. So as you can see, it's made with Unity. You can allow it. And then you can just tap to start. Design elf yourself, pick a room, and then plot a route, record your elf, and enjoy the magic. And then there is 6 months pass just for $4. It's quite cheap if you want to unlock this ElfCam. And then you will need to, unfortunately, just to pay because it's not a free app. And here you have this. You can just watch the video. So anyhow, and then you just need to upgrade to, and then basically the idea that you just upgrade for $4. It's a subscription. It's a not one-time payment. You can of course cancel it, but still pretty cheap price. So you just again build your own elf in this app. Then you just point it to any room, like with a Christmas tree, and then you just show how the elf moves in the AR using AR technology. So, and then you record the video and you can show really to your kids that, hey, like we really had an elf visiting our place, and it will be much more convincing. So it's quite fun app. Give it a try.